Hello Travel, so today we're just doing a very quick kind of side-by-side comparison and hands-on quick review of the Strongcore Merino low sock. So the darn tough pair of wool socks that I have and that I usually use when I'm traveling are the Tactical No-Show light socks. They are quite light and they don't have much cushioning, but you can get a version with cushioning. And if I'm just looking at the details here, they are a 50% merino and a 48% nylon with 2% lycra. And comparing to the Western Rise socks, so they're a 40% merino and 4% nylon mix, and then a 30% elastane and 26% nylon. So as you can see, the material of the Strongcore Merino socks from Western Rise are actually a bit thicker, and the cushioning is a little bit thicker, especially around the bottom, whereas the Darn Tough Tactical No-Show socks are actually a little bit thinner and they don't have padding on the bottom. Now I have been wearing the No-Show Tactical Darn Tough socks for a bit longer, and as you may be able to spot, they're a little bit wearing out in the back. Now that's one thing I did like about the Darn Tough pair, is that they actually go a little bit higher at the back arch of the foot. And as you can see with these Nike shoes that I wear, it actually cushions the back of the shoe against my foot. Whereas the Strongcore socks, they don't do that. They're a bit too low, so the back of the shoe actually touches the skin on my foot and it rubs a bit more, and sometimes, especially when I first wore them, that does cause a little bit of pain. So that could be an issue depending what kind of shoes that you're wearing. They both offer great benefits of merino wool, which is, wicking, moisture wicking, temperature control, and obviously because it's merino wool, they're antimicrobial and they don't smell. So they both really are excellent pairs of travel socks, and the Strongcore is a very nice and well-built pair of socks, and I'm looking forward to wearing them in a bit more. So I may have to do an update video a bit later on down the road and see how they hold up. But given that they're a little bit thicker in material, I think they should do quite well. So that's it, thanks very much for watching, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos, and leave a comment down below which of the two pairs of socks you prefer, or which kind of socks do you wear when you're traveling.